Hi, welcome to our craft for July. Thank you all for coming. It's hot out and we're really giving you the simplest thing that we can think of because it's hot out. And so this time we're going to do really easy drink coasters. And in your kit you will find that you have two cork coasters, some colored paper with sticky backs, and a recipe for margaritas. So this is the simplest thing ever, and I hope you enjoy it. And thank you to the Friends of Milford Library for helping us to get these materials to give to you. So here are two examples of coasters, really simple, really easy to do. And I'm just going to do another one really quickly. The hardest thing that you're going to find about this is getting the backing off of the paper tape. And it's not easy, as you can see, but there, I did it. And we're just going to do this. You use your creativity, whatever you can do. Well, I know a lot of you are really creative, much more than I am. So, trim that out. Okay. And we'll have to work on those ragged edges a little bit, but you can do that with either an X-Acto knife or just keep trimming until you get it the way you want it. Or you can actually cut this shape before you put it on the cork. Up to you. And then I thought, if I can ever get this off, this is really the hardest part. That. Almost. Ah. Okay. And again, we'll trim. You can do this with an X-Acto knife if you like. And as I said, you can trace it and cut it beforehand, which might make it a little less ragged. Or like with this one, I just cut some shapes. These two I did just by cutting them on the tape beforehand. And I'm going to just even that out a little bit. And there you have your coaster. Now sit back and have a nice cool drink. Thank you.